Yo, what's up guys? It's Pyros here, the Crypto Pie, and today we're going to be talking about Bitcoin, Ethereum and EOS, guys. So let's get started with Bitcoin, right? And it's just small updates, guys, because there's not all that much going on right now. So yeah, starting off with Bitcoin, guys. I hope you don't hear music in the background, by the way, because there's a concert really close to me. So, yeah, there's some music playing, so I just hope you guys don't hear that. Anyways, I still wanted to make a video even though there's a lot of noise coming, here. So you can see that we have basically resistance at the 21 EMA here, guys. All right, this is on the daily on Bitcoin, and I think we need to break that, right? So will we first get back down in this channel again? Perhaps, right? Let's zoom in a little bit. If we look on the 6 hour, my favorite time frame, guys, for sure. You can see this channel we're in, right? So yeah, if Bitcoin goes down again, that's just an opportunity to play some altcoin swings again, okay? As long as we don't fall out of this channel, it's all good. If we do fall out of that channel, we're probably gonna visit these lows again, okay? Around 7,200 right now, that would be. So as long as we stay in this channel, we're doing just fine. We're currently still in the 6 hour Ichimoku cloud. It's nearly falling out though. So it'd be better if we stay in, but who knows, right? The weekend is always a little bit different in the week as well, guys. Except for this time, right? I mean, it's just in this channel, guys. That's what it's doing, okay? It's just stuck in this channel. So we'll have to see what's going on. But let's take a look at some smaller time frames here. So the 1 hour is in the Ichimoku cloud right now as well. If we fall out of that, like I said, we'll go back down to this channel for sure, okay? I mean, we can even go lower, like we're already under 30 minute. But guys, how far down can this RSI go, okay? So the 1 hour will probably get back down to just this level once again, right? Around the 29 to 30 area on the RSI, and then we'll probably see a bounce. So wait for that, guys. You can always play the bounces, alright? So right now, just like I said in the video yesterday, you need to be happy with small percentages, okay? Like 5 to 10%, and you should be happy. If you make 5 or 10% right now on like little swings in altcoins, you're doing just fine, okay? So don't stress it if you're not making the big swings of 20-30%, because if they do happen right now, it's just that's luck, okay? That's a lot of luck, simply because of the fact that Bitcoin is not showing all that bullish behavior yet. So, and then another thing, guys, so if we look on the daily, right, we did this big triangle, right, this one and this one. Some of you guys were a little bit worried about the volume dropping. Well, that's a good thing, guys, right? It always does. The volume slowly drops towards the end of the apex of the triangle, okay? So yeah, that's perfectly normal. And if it breaks down, simply, at least I get out, because then we will fall even lower. And who knows what our next low is, right? We can guess that it's about this point, 5.3 is gonna be strong right here. That's for sure. We'll obviously test these lows before that, like around that 6K. But still, if you can get out at like, right now it would be around 7K, and then get back in at 6K, that's still, that's gonna save you a little bit. So, yeah, just make sure that you have this triangle drawn out, okay, guys? But for now, we're still in this channel where you're still in this triangle. So I'm just very neutral, guys. All right, that is how it goes. I'm just very neutral, and I think this a slow build-up is pretty good. Okay, because when you go too fast up, you simply cannot break it, and you fall back down. But if you go slowly up, we'll just slowly break out. That's fine in my opinion. Now if we fall out of this triangle, like I said, then we have a problem. Alright, so just be ready for both plans. So guys, let's get in on Ethereum, our next coin that we're looking at here. So let me just start putting some lines down, okay? We have this low, we have this low. Alright, so we have a trend line there. It's only 2 points, however, but it's still, you know, I think it will work as a trend line for now. Let's put a Fibonacci on here as well. So we'll take this exact low here, and then we'll take this high right around there. You see we're at around the 0.5 area. It bounced just under the 6.5, and we have a trend line here established. So yeah, that's looking okay. It's looking more bullish actually than Bitcoin, right? Ethereum does. So yeah, that's interesting to see. If we take these highs, can we? Nah, I cannot really do that, right? This high is probably too crazy to think about, but this one, now we have a triangle here as well. Alright, so, or maybe you want to have it like this one. Whether you have it like that or you have it like this, it doesn't matter too much, okay guys? As long as you try to line up either on the wick or on the candle. So I mean, we can also do it on the wick, right? Try to line up on the wick. There we go. So we're in this triangle as well. Like I said, guys, if Bitcoin falls out of the triangle, Ethereum will most likely fall as well, and you know, test these lows again. So just be aware of that as well. Kind of the same story as Bitcoin, however, it just shows a little bit more bullish momentum than Bitcoin is doing. Okay, so yeah, that's Ethereum to the Tether, and now we're going to look at EOS to the Bitcoin, right? EOS Bitcoin, and then we'll go over EOS USD. So guys, since Bitcoin's falling, and even though EOS, you know, had all the votes and it's getting mainnet and everyone's happy, you should still consider that it's always buy the rumor and sell the news. All right, consider that, guys. All right, remember when Icon like was blowing up, and you know, and we had mainnet and it just dumped. So just keep that in mind, guys. All right, Icon is a nice project as well. It ran up for mainnet and then it dumped. So keep that just in mind, okay? I don't want to scare you guys, but it's buy the rumor, sell the news. So, and we can also see some bearish RSI divergence here. Not too much, but a little bit for sure. So, yeah, if I wanted to get into EOS, I would either wait for a new high, as crazy as it sounds, because then, you know, we'll make new highs for sure, or I wait for a proper retrace. So, well, you could play it, right? I mean, if we zoom in, let's zoom in on the 1 hour. If we probably get down to around this area here, so that doesn't even make sense with the Fibonacci, guys. Is that because this one is not like? Is this better? Is this lining up better? 382, 236. 6.5, 7.86. Yeah, this lines up better, guys. So yeah, don't take it all the way from the low. That was apparently a very panicky low, and it's not reacting to that too much. So 6.5. If it gets down here again, you could try and scale in a little bit, but I would more be interested around this 16 zone. Okay, for a nice bounce, and just a bounce, guys. That's all I would play. Okay. So yeah, that is EOS to Bitcoin. Now we'll go quickly over EOS USD because it's not that interesting, but it's there, right? Do we have EOS USDT? I think it's better to look on Bitfinex because it has more data for this pair. So get rid of this. If we look on the 6 hour, it couldn't get above the Ichimoku cloud, so that is certainly something you need to look at. Let's take a look at the Fibonacci's here. It bounced from the 6.5, very nice. So where would I be interested? Well, this could keep going. The US USD pair looks better than the Bitcoin pair for sure. We could possibly put a channel here. So you can probably play this channel, guys. let's not make it too crazy. Like this, you know, something like this. You have a lot of dots, so buy around this channel, sell above there. I don't know what you make. Let's see. You make about 9%, so in between that 5 and 10%. That's good for me, guys. So yeah, this one's still looking okay. So I said I would only go over EOS, Bitcoin, and Ethereum, but I do quickly go for ontology because I just think I have to. Okay. So we were in this channel, guys, and simply we fell out. So yeah, wait for something else to form, and if you want to buy it like proper Fibonacci levels, right, on the bigger scale. I'd say around 886, maybe 786. It's up to you guys, but I would honestly just wait for it to show something. All right, it fell out of its trend. That's all I can tell you for now. So yeah, guys, that's pretty much it for this video. Also, if you're not in my Telegram yet, join up with the CryptoPies blog, where you can ask me any question, you can ask other people questions. It's just a great chat box to be in, right? So yeah, join up with that. Let's take a look at the charts. It's because boss been charting here. So I see EOS Bitcoin here, nice ascending triangle on the 1 hour. Yeah, so you see kind of the same thing as me. You want to buy it after it breaks out, right? So yeah, because it is ascending, guys, but it's, you know, it's it needs to break out of this. So yeah, it's we see same thing here. It needs to break out of it, or you can buy it on the support line. So yeah, that's two places you can do. Either buy it on the support line. So let me also plot this down, right? We'll plot it down, guys. So you can either buy it on the support line or buy it on the breakout. Okay, so the breakout, the absolute breakout is up here, but there's a more common line around here, right? Or even a little bit lower. There you go. So ascending triangle, guys, but just keep in mind that it is buy the rumor, sell the news. So keep that in mind as well. So yeah, if you buy it on support, just be very, you know, if it goes lower and it closes below, just get out, right? Simple. That's how we trade, guys. So yeah, nice charts there. Also, join up with the CryptoPies feed, where I post all my videos, post about upcoming ICOs, and you know, like I said with Phantom, guys, it's not a bad idea to whitelist for it. So I hope you guys did, and yeah, get yourself whitelisted so at least you can participate if you want later on. Yeah, that's pretty much it, guys. Both telegrams will be in the description below, and if you enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe. Hit that post notification button, and if you got any questions at all, leave a comment below, and I'll see you guys in the next video.